From trash to treasure.
Hey, Shelby, what are you up to?
Hey, Pepper, I'm organizing all the plastic bags we collected from our grocery shopping earlier.
Huh? Why don't you just throw them away?
It's not good for our environment. They're non-biodegradable.
Non-biodegradable? What's that?
It means that it can't completely disappear into the earth. They just stay there for a very, very long time.
Oh no! That sounds bad.
Yes, it is. So when plastic bags are not disposed of properly, they can end up in places like the ocean. This is bad for the environment and can cause marine plastic pollution, and it's really harmful to our marine friends. That's why we must live more sustainably, like through upcycling. When we upcycle, we give a second life to something.
Whoa! Can you show me how we can do this?
How about upcycling this to a bookmark that we can use?
Great idea!
We are going to need plastic bags, scissors, baking paper, an iron, and an ironing board.
Got them all!
Great! Now, let's cut these bags into various small shapes. Next, let's cut a sheet of baking paper so that it folds over in two like this. Then, put our plastic pieces on the baking paper nice and thick. Make sure most of the plastic is tucked in within the baking paper and press it down tightly. Now, get a grown-up to help us iron. We'll iron each side for 30 seconds, covering every spot. This seals all the plastic together. Then we wait for it to cool down.
Wow! The colors are so pretty!
Now we can cut out shapes for our bookmarks.
This is amazing! I can't wait to try out more upcycling projects.
We hope you learned something new today. The fun doesn't stop here. If your little one had fun with us today, spread the joy. We'd love for you to share this video with other parents and give us a like. See you again soon. Bye-bye.